Greetings to the HRDC Pre-PhD Course Department of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. The topic of my presentation is Studies on Factors Affecting Plant Genomic DNA Extraction and Developing a High-Throughput Method Suitable for PCR. The work is presented by Mala Madhukar Mule, Department of Botany, Unique Code BOTA 2042 Mala. My code is 201534287. The research is guided by Dr. Mohammad Rafuddin Nasir, Department of Botany, Maulana Azad College, Aurangabad. To introduce my topic, DNA extraction is the process of purifying DNA from cell debris. There is a growing demand of food and natural herbal therapies with the decreasing land under cultivation, ultimately results in great attention towards crop improvement through molecular biology techniques. PCR is a common practice generally used as a robust technology for crop improvement, and the prerequisite for PCR is to isolate a pure and intact DNA. There are many protocols available for DNA extraction and many labs are following these protocols. But the drawback of these protocols is these protocols are time consuming, require high-grade laboratory equipments, consume hazardous chemicals, which generates hazardous waste, and these protocols are not reproducible for all crop species. So my idea is to develop a DNA extraction protocol applicable for most of the plant species. My idea is also to study the effect of different combination of chemicals on DNA quality and quantity, to develop a short, cost-effective, eco-friendly, consistent protocol free from PCR inhibitors, and the protocol should be affordable to different labs in the developing countries worldwide. My idea is also to study the present protocols and overcome the drawbacks, and to develop a protocol which will be further applicable in taxonomic studies for conservation, production, protection of plants, and for crop improvements. The working principle of my research will be to collect protocols which are available and do a very good research consultation, and to set up experiments which will help us to design a protocol which will be applicable for a study. In this, first we will develop PCR primers which will help us to do further experiments and to decide a protocol, routine DNA extraction protocol, which is followed by most of the labs. In this, we will do different experiments where we'll try to avoid hazardous chemicals, avoid DNA precipitation steps, avoid detergents, avoid high temperatures and sophisticated instruments. And at every step, the extracted DNA will be tested with PCR and compared to the routine protocol. The results will be recorded and statistical analysis will be done to get a final outcome of these experiments. So the targeted outcome should be the research work should reveal the effect on quality and quantity of extracted DNA by addition or omission of different salts, detergents, hazardous chemicals, and temperature. The method should provide minimum steps, cost effective, and with minimum instruments, we should be able to perform this DNA extraction. The protocol should be reliable and reproducible without any PCR inhibitors. And I am sure this protocol will help in crop improvement for the production of food and medicines. Thank you.